Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Mixpanel, Amplitude, Google Analytics 4 and Posthog. Mixpanel, Amplitude, Google Analytics 4 or GA4 and Posthog are top analytics tools. Mixpanel is a robust analytics platform focused on tracking user behavior, retention, and conversion funnels. It offers real-time insights with an easy-to-use interface, ideal for product and growth teams. Though powerful, its pricing may become expensive as data volume increases. Meanwhile, Google Analytics 4 or GA4 is a free, event-based analytics tool for tracking website and app performance. It integrates well with the Google Ads and offers powerful marketing attribution and audience insights. However, its interface and setup can be confusing, especially for non-technical users. Amplitude is a powerful product analytics tool that excels in behavioral analysis, retention tracking, and user journey mapping. It's ideal for data-driven teams aiming to understand and improve product engagement at scale. While feature-rich, it can be complex for beginners and more suited to mid to large businesses. On the other hand, Posthog is an open-source product analytics platform with built-in features like session recording, heat maps, and feature flags. It's ideal for teams that prioritize data privacy, self-hosting, and full control over user data. While flexible and developer-friendly, it requires technical setup and maintenance. Choose Mixpanel or Amplitude for product insights, GA4 for marketing attribution, and Posthog for full control and privacy-focused analytics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.